Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to connect GoHighLevel with Zapier. First, log into your Zapier account. When you are on the Zapier home screen, look at the top menu and click Create, then choose Zaps. This will open the Zap editor where you build your automation. In the Zap editor, you will see a trigger block. Click on this block to choose the app that will start the automation. From the list of apps, search for and select Lead Connector. Lead Connector is the official and white-labeled connection used by GoHighLevel inside Zapier. After selecting Lead Connector, choose a trigger event. For example, you can select Pipeline Stage Changed if you want the Zap to run when a lead moves to a new stage. Next, go to the Account section in the Trigger Setup. Click the Sign In button. You will be redirected to the Lead Connector login screen. Here, enter your email address and password that you use for GoHighLevel. Once you log in, Zapier will ask you to choose the sub-account you want to connect. Select the correct GoHighLevel sub-account from the list and confirm your choice. After this step is complete, your Zapier account is connected to that GoHighLevel sub-account. Thanks for watching.